Whose fault is it that the Boeing Starliner has left 2 astronauts in ISS without a clear return date? 2 astronauts Suni-Williams and Butch Wilmore are still in International Space Station almost 8 weeks after their liftoff. They were only supposed to be there for 8 days. But the spacecraft they flew in experienced an issue and engineers are still troubleshooting the issues. There was a known small leak on the spacecraft when they left the Earth, but when they reached ISS there were 5 leaks altogether. NASA believes that they can fix Starliner and bring the astronauts back. They also assured that they do have a backup plan in case the issue cannot be fixed, but haven't provided a timeline. Subscribe for more interesting contents like this.